What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. It's bright out here today, man. But y'all see what the plan is today, man. Gonna shake this nag down, man. Big Dolo. We're gonna put, cause it rained last night too, man. But we're gonna put the racing wheels on old Dolo, and you know, get it tuned up, all that good stuff. Everything, man. I'm gonna shake this over there, man, test it out on motor, and we're gonna make a nitro hit. Or better yet, I should say, we just gonna make a nitro hit. That's all I'm playing, to be real with you. I'm gonna make a nitro hit, man. That's the plan. So that we're gonna do. I'm finna work out in a minute though. Then we're gonna come out here. I'm gonna wait till the evening to get all that done. Then me and wife will go up there to Mexico and make it do what it do. So y'all just stay tuned, man. I'll turn y'all on in a minute. All right, y'all, we taking in. I got half a nitro bottle. They're perfect for what I need, cause I don't need a lot of bottle pressure. I'll probably run 900. Usually run 950 to 1,000 at the track, but we don't need that violent of a hit. Y'all see I've been working. I ain't filmed none of the other work, cause I ain't no need for y'all see me do that. We got the running shoes on. And these things ain't been on this course since last year. That crazy. Ain't been on since December or November last year. I have not had these tires on, man. I told y'all when I laid it down, I was gonna lay it down. And I was gonna just run on the rim. But now, since it's been tuned, the tune been cleaned up even more by Jesse. But if you remember that video, I took it to the track on 6 and I told y'all it went faster on motor with a terrible 60 foot, cause how babying it out the hole, but it almost ran a personal best, so we got it faster. If you go fast on motor, you're gonna go fast on nitrous. And since I had these on, since I had the rims on and haven't had these on, it's gotten faster. Caught the tune cleaner. I just pulled the plugs. Y'all know I changed the plugs and stuff, check the fluids, all that. And so I ain't ran it on these since it been tuned and got faster. And I have not ran it ever since. Y'all know we just got the anti-roll bar installed. So we about to spray this thing. I'm gonna pour me some traction compound down and see what it do. That's why I'm waiting till it get a little later and we can take the drive to Mexico. And we're gonna see what it do, man. Y'all can see old nitro hit in the road just to make sure everything, and then we'll be ready for the track. And I'm only doing this, I usually want to show y'all this, but I'm only doing this because I want to make sure everything is copacetic when I go to the track. So I'm gonna run it on a very, very, very light nitro hit. I probably only run it to 50%. Full, start at about 20 and run it out to 50, not 100. And then, you know, just see how the suspension acts, see how the car handle, and see how the nitrous take with the new tune. Cause that's another thing I have not, well, I did spray. I sprayed on rim with a super delay. But yeah, when wife get back, man, we'll be ready to roll, man. I done put the Ray fuel in the tank, 112. So we got 116 up there in the 1 gallon. And I'm finna back it up, get it on straight concrete, and then set the tire pressure. Shocks already set, I did that. Shoot, we'll be ready to roll, man. Strap the bottle in, check the pressure, get it up the pressure, and shoot, we'll be ready. So y'all stay tuned, man. It's gonna be action. I'm gonna tune in y'all from the GoPro. All right, y'all, we checking in. So, got back. Did not go as planned. I'm gonna tell you why. Now, everything on point with the car. Everything cool, but look. I said, this joker empty. I can tell when I started purging, trying to bump it. I said, the pressure can't be that high. Not that fast. I said, this joker about empty. It ain't picking up all the nitrous. So let me give y'all a quick little lesson on nitrous. So, see, this joker light, I can feel it. I can feel it. It's a little bit in there. It ain't slap empty. It's just a little bit. But if you ever looked in cars, big boy race cars, they stand their bottles up like this. The brackets it come with, they lean the bottle like this, right? At an angle. So mine in there, of course, at an angle, as y'all seen many times. And you really want your nozzle pointed down, your line pointed down if possible. But mine be off to the side downward like this, cause it'll run into the car. So what happens? Nitrous is actually like a liquid gas type. Well, I said type. What happened? It kind of like a water bottle. If you got a water bottle, right? You got this much water in it, and you lean it over to the side. What happened? The water sits right here. So nitrous does the same thing. Now, I think I done explained it before. The nitrous got a siphon tube in it, in this bottle. If you take this, cause you can actually change these nozzles. So if you took this off, and we could look in here, you will see attached to this nozzle is a siphon tube that runs directly, dead slap through the center of this bottle. So right now, see, if it was standing up, that's why they stand them up in race car cars. That'll cost you a race. That right there would have cost a race. Sometimes it'll start out picking up the nitrous, and when it pick up all that last little bit in the corner, it can't catch none of this. So really, a 10-pound bottle or a 15-pound, you're only gonna get so much for your money when you buying nitrous, cause you leaning it. It ain't gonna pick up everything. So it start picking up air, throw your tune off. It gets too much fuel. It'll be rich and all that. And you know, that's what it is. So that's why most people, the big boy race car, they stand them up, cause they pick up every last ounce of nitrous. So even if it get low, it still pick it up. It still pick it up, man. They getting every bang for their buck. So, but I ain't finna do that. I'm not gonna do that. You stick them in the car with you when you do that. And I got a real deal daily driver. Y'all know this car, man. So I'm not doing it. But like I said, we were just in Mexico, so it wasn't that serious. I hate it then, like, do what it do. But you know, next time. But I checked over everything. The car ran straight and stuff. Of course it was twisting, cause you know I ain't had nobody put me in the puddle and stage up and all that. Hold the car, well, hold the car, really, you gotta hold the car. But you know, I ain't taking that serious, cause I don't run in Mexico. I test before track, but I don't run in Mexico. But yeah, that's what it is, man. So I'm finna cover this nag up, man. This over with. So all right, y'all, round 2. Motor. This is a true motor hit that time, man, cause I wasn't happy the other day. That was carried on to another day. I wasn't happy the other day, man, cause I ran out of nitrous both pads. It was no nitrous on either pad, which I don't know if I showed y'all 1 or 2. I can't remember. But today we make a motor hit, cause even though it was on motor, the other 2 passes, it was getting too much fuel, obviously, because it was spraying fuel with the fuel solenoid, which will throw your motor pass, make it slow on the motor. So, I'm finna crank this nag up, man, and it's finna be nightfall, so we finna go to Mexico. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we taking in, man. So y'all see, just got finished shaking down big Dolo, man. I had to wait till the next day and do it again, man. I had to do it again. So, and I'm coming back to close y'all out because the first hit and stuff, man, made. Like I said, it was on motor, but it was too much fuel, man. I ran out of nitrous. That bottle sitting over there empty. So I'm gonna have to go get it topped off, man. It ran out of nitrous, and I said, man, it had me disgusted, man. I told wife when I got back, like, man, I don't like that. But she already knew I got caught, man. I don't like that. Cause she was like, what happened? I said, it ain't right. It ain't right. That's why it was poof, 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 poof. I don't know if y'all heard that too. But it's because it was getting too much fuel, because the fuel solenoid and the nitrous solenoid on, but no nitrous. It didn't spray no nitrous, so it's just excess fuel. You just got excess fuel, which throw the motor tune off, man. And that's why I said it was just all I said, man, I can't, nah, I can't do that. I can't do that, man. I can't go out like that. So then though I came back, I said, man, let me at least make a motor hit, which it went okay. It still didn't do what it can do or whatever, cause you know, spinning in 60 foot, the easing out of it. But that joker definitely it faster. So I ain't gotta do that now. I'm gonna let it sit, man. I wanna take it to the track, man. I'm gonna leave the radios on it so we can get it to the track, and then I can spread, let that joker eat. And I hope I got a little bit more life on the radio, cause they about done, man. I probably got a good 5-6 more passes left on them. Then I'm gonna have to just get rid of them and buy some more for Dolo. So I want to go ahead and do this. Get that. Hey, that joker either gonna go or it's gonna break the rim, man. It's gonna do one of the two. It's gonna go or break the rim again, which I don't think it should, but it biting now. The anti-roll boy got it biting, man. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see what it do. I ain't go to the track the day I was gonna go because it was just hot, man. Even late, it was 90. I said, man, it ain't 90 degrees, man. It's just hot, man. You be miserable. So I said that's why I gave y'all that, man. I tried to get y'all nitrous hit in Mexico, but I ain't had no nitrous. It took a slap. Well, it ain't empty. It's like I explained to y'all. It just where it tilted and then pick up the siphon tube. It's pretty much empty. I weighed it too. Cause that's how you can tell how much nitrous in there in a bottle. You know how much a full bottle weigh versus what it weigh empty stuff, man. It's down there empty. It's down there empty, man. So I like gotta do that. I gotta go get some more racing fuel. So I gotta get 10 gallons of race fuel, man. I need a can for meats. I just using it in meats and Dolo mainly when I go to the track. So I need a can for meats, cause I'm gonna take meats out again soon and try it on nitrous again, man. I just been giving meats a break, cause I took meats to the track like 2-3 times straight, back to back, trying to get it to go down on nitrous, man. Which I know what I gotta do. That joke is just violent, man. It's violent, man. I'm gonna have to calm the ring gear down, cause it just makes so much power. It just, and I ain't got a huge ring gear in it now, man. I really don't. It just that joker makes some power, man. I'm ready to show y'all the engine. I'm ready to pop the hood and show y'all the engine, but I'm gonna tell y'all the reason I haven't popped the hood yet and showed y'all. I want to get the car to go down the track A to B on nitrous, man, so people can get a glimpse of, hey, this is what it is. And then I want to show you the hood. I said show the hood. I want to pop the hood, cause man, it look good on there. It look good on there, man. I want to show everybody and all that. So that's what it is. Let's see where we at in a minute. I had to come back and holler at y'all, man. I had to wait and stretch it out another day because like I ain't going out like that, man. I'm bad passes, man. And I said, no, I ain't doing it like that. I ain't doing it like that. We gotta come back. I said I make a motor hit cause I ain't got no nitrous. But I'm gonna go get the nitrous probably today. I might shoot up and get some today, go get some more race fuel, go holler at my guy A-Rod, Gene, and go get some race fuel, man. We'll see what they got going on. And we'll be ready for the track. Like I said, I'm gonna try to go to the track. I ain't gonna be going much, but I'm gonna try to go to the track, get Dolo shook down, take Meats one more time, R&B, and then I'm gonna take Brown Coat. I've been wanna get a new time on R&B and Brown Coat. So, and I want to let Wifey shake down R&B too, man. I'm gonna have that video coming. We're gonna put wife on the track, man. The last time she was on the track, she drove Meech with the crate engine on the hard tire. But we're gonna put her in RB, man. Put her first time on some slicks and stuff, see how she do, and all that. Have a little fun and stuff. So yeah, they're gonna wrap it up, man. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.